to say. It's just a little too loud. But I realized that I'm losing time, so I'm turning the tables from your side to mine. 'Cause I cannot pretend that we're doing just fine. You